Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with a beautiful embroidery netted pallu. A very elegant soft embroidery finish on the very beautiful fabric. An exclusive collection it is with a very beautiful leaves and twig pattern with floral design. Contrast colors used for the embroidery threads. And here we have the body color blouse piece, plain one. The complete saree is plain with just the Dupian finish weaving. A pastel shade, a light green here, almost in a military green shade, very pastel color. Excellent weaving with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with beautiful embroidery work on the netted pallu fabric. A very elegant, transparent, soft finish netted fabric it is. On it, the floral design embroidery is done in the very mild lavender and white concept. And here we have the pallu and body color blouse piece. The body color is a beautiful pastel shade here, light purple and wine mixed color with the half white tinge. Very elegant pastel shade it is with Dupian finish weaving all over. You can see the visible threads on it, and we have golden zari borders on both sides. Excellent concept, beautiful pastel saree with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant transparent netted pallu and embroidery on the pallu. Here we have a soft beautiful fabric, exclusive collection. The grey and blue are used for the embroidery here, contrast ones. And here we have the same body color blouse piece. The body color is a pastel grey here, a beautiful shade, a very different and elegant shade it is. You can see the visible embossed design, the Dupian finish, very elegantly done, completely hand woven beautiful design with zari borders in both sides. The saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted pallu and embroidery work done on the netted pallu. Here we have a beautiful soft netted fabric for the pallu, transparent and very elegant one. Exclusive piece with the pot making concept in the embroidery, multiple colors used on it. And we have a pallu color, body color, plain blouse piece. The complete saree is in the same color, only the embroidery is in contrast version here. And it's a plain raw silk with Dupian finish hand woven design, beautiful one. Pastel green shade saree, greyish green color, light olive tinge green it is with the zari borders in both sides. Excellent saree with beautiful work, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery work with pallu. Beautiful soft and netted transparent fabric with the pot making concept in the pallu. Very beautiful embroidery work in multiple colors, and same pallu color. And pallu and blouse body, everything is in same color. The blue here, Ananda blue, beautiful shade of blue it is with the completely hand woven Dupian finish. You can see the threads that is very visible, embossed concept. And we have the golden zari borders in both sides of the saree. A beautiful, perfect hand woven saree with embroidery work with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant embroidery work on the pallu. Here we have a very different netted fabric, exclusive collection. On it, the embroidery work is done. Here we have an embroidery work done in a half and half pattern. The top half is done using lavender and white shade, and lower half is done using royal blue and white. Very elegant one, beautiful creation. The lavender body color blouse piece. The saree is also in a pastel lavender shade. Very elegant, always demanded beautiful color it is with the Dupian finishing in the body. A completely hand woven, very elegant collection with zari borders in both sides. Excellent creation. Grab your soon with authentic silk mark. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery pallu. Here we have a beautiful soft finish netted fabric. On it, the pot making concept is done on a embroidery, multiple contrast colors used for the embroidery work. And here we have the body color blouse piece. The body is a mild peach shade, almost a skin color, very elegant one. Peachy pink color shade, a pastel shade too, completely hand woven. You can see the finish of the threads, embossed design, that is the Dupian finish with the zari borders on both sides. Beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupian finish weaving with very elegant netted embroidery pallu. Here we have a beautiful embroidery work on the pallu. So soft knitted fabric, light green and white is given for the embroidery here. And the saree here is deep green color, almost a olive in a deeper shade. Same color blouse piece. Complete saree is hand woven with very elegant Dupion finish on it. The mild silver glow is there because of the warp. It is silver color warp, and we have golden zari borders on both sides. Beautiful dark shade color with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving with beautiful netted pallu and embroidery work done on the netted pallu. Excellent color here. Light soft fabric on the pallu, and on it the embroidery finish is done in the darker shades of blue. Beautiful body color blouse piece. The complete saree is plain except the pallu, which have embroidery. The color of the saree here is very beautiful. A light shade blue, it is almost in a turquoise blue shade. Excellent one with silver zari borders on both sides, and the Dupion finish is very visible and beautiful here. A perfect hand woven, excellent collection with authentic silk. Pure raw silk saree, Dupion finish weaving with beautiful embroidery work on the pallu, the netted fabric, transparent netted fabric. It is a very soft and beautiful fabric. On it, a very elegant, beautiful work in the embroidery, half white and brown shades used, and same body color blouse piece given in the saree. The saree color is a light pastel shade, almost the pure tussar fabric color, mild brown and grey mix shade. Very beautiful one with the Dupion finish threads all over, and we also have the zari borders on both sides. Excellent collection with authentic silk.